Hi, let us find the value of a, given that you have 2 multiplied by root a into root a equals a. So from here, let's apply method 1. Applying the method 1, from here, let's square both sides. So we have open parenthesis 2 multiplied by root a into root a squared equals a squared. From here, we are going to have this to be 2 squared multiplied by root a into root a, then here also be squared, then equals a squared. Now from here, 2 to the power of 2 will be 4 multiplied by this, we cancel out this, a multiplied by root a equals a squared. Now from here too, we have to square again. So when we square the both sides again, we are going to have it to be 4a multiplied by root a all squared equals a squared into a squared. Now from here we have 16a squared multiplied by root a squared equals a to the power of 4. Now this, we cancel out this, so we have 16a squared multiplied by a equals a to the power of 4. Now from here we have 16a to the power of 3 equals a to the power of 4. Now by arranging this expression, so we are going to have a to the power of 4 minus 16a to the power of 3 equals 0. Now what is common between them is a to the power of 3. Let's factor it out to be a to the power of 3. Then a to the power of 4 divided by a to the power of 3. Here will be a minus. Minus divided by plus will be minus. Then we have here to be 16. It's not common. A to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 3 will be 1 times 16. Here will be 16 equals 0. Now from here, we have this by applying 0 product rule. Is either we have a to the power of 3 equals 0, or we have a minus 16 to be equals 0. And so therefore from here we have a equals 0. Then from here we have a to be equals 16. So when we apply this first method, we have the value of a to be equals this. By applying the second method, method 2, so given we have 2 multiplied by root a into root a equals a, then we have to take note of one thing, that anytime when we have roots equals as when you have 1 over 2. Now from here, now this particular a has how many roots? 1. This particular a has how many roots? 2. 1, 2. So definitely if you want to simplify, we can have this as 2 multiplied by root a multiplied by root a, then equals a. Then we have them in the power as 2 multiplied by a to the power of 1 over 2. So multiply by a to the power of 1 over 2 in parentheses again to the power of 1 over 2 equals a. Now from here we have 2 multiplied by a to the power of 1 over 2 times a to the power of 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4 equals a. Now this, we can have it as 2 multiplied by a 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals a. Now we have 2 multiplied by a to the power of, find the LCM, 4. Then here will be 2 plus 1 equals a. Now we have 2 multiplied by this will be a to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 over 4 equals a. Now Let's divide through by a. Divide through by a. This a here we divide by this will be 1. So we have 2 multiplied by, and this power raised to the power of, this a raised to the power of 1. So from the law of indices, this, when you have a to the power of m over b to the power of, over a to the power of n equals a to the power of m minus n. So applying here will be a to the power of 3 over 4 minus 1 equals 1. Divide through by 2. This we cancel out this. We have, then we have the LCM here to be 4. Then this will be 3 minus this guy here. We have 3. This will be 4 equals 1 over 2. So from here we have a to the power of minus 1 over 4 equals 1 over 2. Raise the power of both sides by 4. Here will be raised to the power of 4. This is to the power of 4. This will divide by this. We have a to the power of minus 1 equals 1. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Then we have to raise the power of both sides by 1 again. Minus 1, sorry. So here will be a to the power of minus 1 again to the power of minus 1 equals 1 over 16 to the power of minus 1. This minus and minus will be plus. Then this negative index will be 1 divided by 1 over 16. When this go up here, so we're going to have a to be equal 16. So we have a to be equal 16, meaning that we have the solution, and using the second method to be 16, the first method we have also to be 16. So now let us now check, because we have to check. So to check, we are given 2 multiplied by root a into root a equals a. When a equals 0, definitely here with 2 into root 0, root 0. Now root 0 is 0, 0 times 2, here will be 0 equals 0. So this satisfies. When you also test for 16, so we have 2 multiplied by root 16 into root 16, then this is going to give us 16. We have 2 root 16. This root 16 we can have it as 4 to the power of 2, then it's going to give us 16. This we cancel out this, we have root 16 times 4. It's still going to give us 16. Now we can have this 2 as root 16 times root 4. This is going to give us 16. 4 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2. It's going to give us 16. This divide, cancel this, this cancel this. We have 2 times 4 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, which equals 16. So from here we have 16 equals 16. So the left equals to the right. And so we have 16 equals 16.